making some copies of the quotes. I just loaded up the equipment. Had to drop off the trailer. That day landscapers wait for all winter has finally come. Doing my first cut of the season. Already did one. Fortunately, I forgot my camera, so I had to come back and get it. So I'm gonna drive by so you can take a look at the yard. Looks pretty nice. I double cut it, striped it 2 different ways. All yards I do get striped. So I'm gonna drive by so you can see it. I'm pulling up. I'm gonna get a mount for the Exmark. It's the yard I just did. I double striped it both directions so you can see it from the house and you can see it from the street. It's really nice. Pulling up in the neighborhood. There's the time. 1:50. Wednesday. I didn't do any filming Monday or Tuesday because I forgot my camera. And what did I do? I cleaned out a garage yesterday. Blew it out with the blower, cleaned up the leaves. That wasn't that exciting anyway. I can never remember which house it is. They all look the same in this neighborhood. Here we are. There's my sign. But it does need cut. make sure to close all the gates so you're not the company that lets their beloved dog out. Make sure all the gates are closed and latched. You don't want to be the company that lets their dog out. That'd be the quickest way to get fired. A little bit of grass on the patio, I'm gonna blow that off. So I took you along with me while I blew off the sidewalk and all the concrete. Took me about an hour, a little bit less. But it's the first cut of the season, they always take a little longer. Plus I double cut the entire yard, cut it 2 different directions. So it's got the stripes from all angles you look at it at. Turn around here, drive past it. The yard came out really nice. I didn't get all the leaves by the fence. I blew them out, I'll get them. Mulch them up next time. To make it, yep. It's one thing that sucks about having a really long truck. You can't make any turns. There's some nice yards. The houses, they're pretty small, but you're not doing the houses, you're doing the yards. Still pay pretty good. Got the nice stripes. The X mark, the striper on it, works really nice. I'm gonna go out and get something to eat. I'm hungry. And I can't wait for the road work to stop in this town. I don't know what they're doing, but it's one lane road. And conveniently, each way I have to stop and wait 10 minutes. Well, I'm still sitting in traffic. We moved up a little bit. And then they stopped us again. That's how far it was backed up. They're digging something out in someone's yard. It's an awful long project though, because they've been doing that for a couple months now. Stopping in at Sheetz to get some food. I'm running out to do a quote, show up on the property, got my clipboard in hand, write down every single thing he wants done, ask him for about 10 minutes so you can work up a price and then give it to him. I just quoted $300 to do 2.5 yards of dyed black mulch, weed liner down, and mow the property. Gotta do a little bit of cleanup beforehand. I don't know if I'm gonna get the job. To be honest, I'm really not that interested in doing it. That's why I quoted it pretty high. But if I get it, I'll be making some pretty good money, so I'm happy either way. Well, this week in lawn care is wrapped up. It's Friday. Gotta unload all the equipment. Getting the trailer weighed tomorrow. Right now, I'm guessing it would weigh 10,500 going across the scale. Well, I'm finishing up this week in lawn care, cashing all my checks. Did a spring cleanup today and mowed. Did a first cut. You can probably see it in the back. I have it completely full of debris. Just finished cashing all the checks. It's my favorite time of the week. Usually do that on Friday when I finish up for the week. I don't usually work weekends unless there's rain or something. I'm not that busy right now. One day.